Oh, they're coming down now. What's that, Lisa? An alligator. And a turtle. Right, turtle. They are so
The Buffalo Bayou rests just beside the 1800s. It was used to pump water from the bayou
Buffalo Bayou
to the fire stations to utilize. Over the next 100 years, as Houston grew, fresh water became apparent, and that became the end of its home to 200,000 gallons of seawater. In the fall of 2017, Hurricane Harvey was an unprecedented storm. It caused unforeseen damage to our shark tunnel and pond.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot of fish.
Life support systems and all electrical were destroyed. It was engulfed with 27 feet of water.
Oh, we're going in the tunnel.
Sawfish are considered endangered internationally, and Landry's Incorporated is proud to be working on partnerships with Australian scientists to help save the sawfish. Animals in the exhibit are fed 3 times a week.
Wow.
Divers routinely go into the tank for maintenance, but we never
Isn't that
kill
amazing?
sharks while divers are in the water. It would be far too dangerous. Even with the chainmail suits our divers wear, the brown and sand tiger sharks have enough power in their jaws to crush a person's arm or leg. In recent years, there has been a decrease in the shark population. ProSearch, a non-profit organization, is leading the way in groundbreaking research about the biology and health of sharks, impact, biosampling, and data collected from the global shark traffic. You can track reports online. It's pretty cool. Landry's Incorporated
na.
The Pope. A day in the life of the Bansuan family. What can you say? We just got back from Aquarium Houston. Isabel's field trip today, and Mommy hasn't slept yet. Not a bit.
And I'm working tonight.
Gusto mo sa manta, mag-English ka, Tagalog, o mag-Binisaya? What do you want, Isa? How about Bisaya? How about Maguindanao? Say Maguindanao to all the people. Okay. Sige na, mag-Bisaya in Maguindanao. Sige na. Sige na, Is. Baby, I wanna hear. He doesn't know how to speak this now. Maayong hapon kaninyo, matuog na mi, kay work na